Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your name and address in Google AdSense. This is particularly useful if you've moved to a new location or need to update your personal information to ensure your payments reach you correctly. Let's walk through this process together. First, open your web browser and navigate to adsense.google.com. Once you're on the page, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct account associated with your AdSense profile to access the right settings. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the AdSense homepage. Direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see a navigation menu with several options. From this menu, click on Payments. This section is where all your financial information and transaction details are managed, making it the central hub for updating your payment-related data. Within the Payments section, look for an option labeled Payment Info and click on it. This will take you to a more detailed page where you can view and modify your payment settings. Here you'll be able to see all the information related to how and where you receive your AdSense earnings. Next, you'll want to click on Manage Settings. This option opens up the configuration panel where you can make changes to your account details. It's the gateway to personalizing your payment information according to your current needs. Now scroll down through the page until you locate the section titled Payments Profile. This is where your personal information, including your name and address, is stored. It's important to keep this information accurate to avoid any issues with receiving payments. In the Payments Profile section, you'll see a pencil icon beside the field labeled Name. Click on this pencil icon to activate the editing mode. Once you've clicked it, you'll be able to input your new name. Type in your updated name carefully, ensuring there are no typos or errors, as this information must match your official documentation. After updating your name, look for another pencil icon, this time beside the address field. Click on this icon to edit your address details. Input your new address in the provided fields, making sure to include all necessary information such as street name, city, postal code, and country. Accuracy here is crucial since this is where your payments and any official correspondence will be sent. Once you've entered all the updated information, scroll down to the bottom of the page where you'll find a Save button. Click on Save to confirm and apply all the changes you've made. Your new name and address will now be updated in your Google AdSense account, ensuring that your payment information is current and correct. And that's it. Your name and address have been successfully updated in Google AdSense. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.